Hello students, once again welcome back to the best platform of the UP government related from examination. The best platform is UP Competitor. So my dear aspirants and competitors, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel if you are a new member on this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update. Without wasting time, we are going to discuss about to the number system related chapter, the consecutive number. Okay, understand? Let's check it. The first 10 multiple of the 3. So for example, we need to only remember that one thing. Doesn't matter what is question is saying. Isn't matter what is question is saying. Matter is that what question can be asked at higher tenth. Okay, you need to only thinking about that, my dear lovely aspirants. What is the mean of first? First means know any one number before them to all is well. Okay, know any one number is before them to all is well. That is called 1. Okay, first means 1 and 10 means that you know that is 10 means 10 and multiply is multiply the symbol given to all is well, and in last the given of the 3. So 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. So our n is equal to 30. Isn't matter, I have confirmed, but I will find out the value of the given number. Understand? Now let's check it. How can we find out the value in the series? How can we find out first 10 multiple of 3? My dear lovely child, that is saying my competitor, that is saying the first 3 multiple of 3. For example, 3 means 3 will come first and the difference of that is 3. 3 means the difference is equal to 3. So after 3 is equal to the difference between 3 is equal to 6. Then after 9, then after 12 is equal to same like hyphen, the last is equal to 30. Understand? Any problem? So according to this session, we can find out their value, that is the called CD. The common difference of the number is equal to 3. Understand? Any problem? The common difference of the given question is that 3. If you have any doubt problem, so please watch this video. Now I am going to discuss about that how can we find out their n. My dear lovely child, that is already saying that I have to decide 10. Our answer is 10 because the 10 multiple of the question is that. Already it has been 10 numbers, but I will find out how can we find out the question related from that topic. So already I have one formula that I have created by myself. That is the very basically important to every related examination to UP government. Okay, now let's check it here. ELT minus FT upon CD positive 1. My dear aspirants, that is the best formula for finding their value for the edge type of questions. Okay, ELT is equal to 30. LT means last term. LT is equal to 30 in the symbol of subtraction. FT is equal to first term. FT is equal to first term. Our FT is equal to 3. And the CD is equal to the common difference that I have given here, that is 3. Understand? That is 3. Now the positive 1. Any problem? No problem. Now let's check it. How can we find out? So my dear lovely child, if you don't know, then you can find out their answer is this one 30 and this one 3 is equal to subtraction of their value is 27 or not 7. Any problem? No problem. Now once again let's hear. 30 minus 3 is equal to 27 or not 27. Understand? Now 3 divided by 3 1 ja 3 and 3 9 ja 27. Now the addition of 9 positive 1 is equal to 9 positive 1 is equal to, my dear child, 10. That is confirm or not confirm? Now let's check it. The answer of the n is equal to 10 or not 10. Clear? Now let's check it. How we can find out the sum value of the given number is 3 positive 6 positive 9 positive 12 hyphen positive 30. Understand? Now let's check it. How can we find out the sum value of the given number? Whenever I will say you have 3 to starting number and ending from 30, tell me what is the addition value. So can you tell me? No, you will not tell to me. In that such as type of cases, you can find their value. You will check it. What is the answer of that is the. So no problem, dear aspirant. You are studying with UP Competitor Academy. Without wasting time, we are going to share to everything to you. Okay. So according to that formula, we are writing here LT positive FT upon 2 and multiply by L. Understand? LT positive FT upon 2 multiply by N. LT upon FT, N is that. LT positive FT upon 2 multiply by N. Understand? Now let's check it. How can we find out the LT is equal to, my dear child, 30. Positive FT is equal to 3 or not 3. Any problem? Last term is equal to 30. First term is equal to 3. Any problem? I hope don't have any problem. Now multiply by 2 is equal to N is equal to 10 or not 10. Anybody has problem, give me comment. Really, I will give you solution to relate from that your comment. Next check it. N is equal to 10 or not 10. Any problem? No problem. Now let's check it. How can we find out their value? My dear aspirants, now the addition of 30 and 3. Okay, now the addition of 3 and 30, how can we find out? For example, I am writing here that I am carrying this to here. Understand? That I am carrying to this here. That is the basically very important question. For example, I have 30 and 3. The addition of 30 and 3 is equal to 33. Now divided by 2 multiply by 10. Any problem? I know that you don't have any problem. Okay, now let's check it. How can we find out their addition value? Can you find it? No. So let's check it. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 or not? Okay, so let's 2 5s are 10 or not 10. So my dear aspirants, 33 multiply by 5, can you do or not do? If you don't try to do, don't think you cannot crack the examination. Think that you will crack the examination. Understand or not understand? Let's check it. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 or not 15? 5 3s are 15, so 5 right, 1 is carry. Okay, understand? Now 5 3s are 15. Once again, 5 3s are 15 and this one will be addition of the 15 is equal to 16. So my answer is 165. The first 10 multiple of 3 is equal to, my students, 165. The first 10 multiple of 3 is equal to 165. If you have any problem, give me comment. Really, personal, I will chat with you. Personal, I will talk with you for your solution. But don't sigh, don't feel sad, don't feel irritable. Really, you will crack the examination. Just only connect to my YouTube channel platform. If you don't have anything, just give me comment, call me. Every time you can call me. Really, everything I will provide to you. To connect it to the all the faculties, really I can provide to you everything to you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. And already I told you, if you want to study to all the best platformation, that give me comment and just tell me about this video and like, subscribe, share. Okay, thank you.